Hey, hi all. In this video, we'll show you how to build Python REST API with clean architecture and unit test, but with a twist. So, as we all know, back in the days, setting up a REST API from scratch would easily take 1 or 2 days. You had to create the project structure, define routes, write models, implement service, and setting up testing. Right, so that initial skeleton alone required significant effort before the teammates could even be building features on top of that. So now with AI, that the same functionality can be generated in a minute with a better consistency and few errors. So let's see how that can be done. So is AI is replacing developer or making them more powerful? So we'll see that. So let's just take it a one prompt. This is a Visual Studio where we going to implement a Python REST API. I'll just add a prompt here, which going to create a complete folder structure, which in generally take a 1 or 2 days. Let's see. So uh, meanwhile, it's building the complete structure. Let's see. They created the complete folder structure, the test cases and the requirement. This requirement shows like all those plugins that need to be installed to run, but they still require a human intervention. Let's first accept all. Okay, and we'll try to run this application. Okay, so this is the command. Open a terminal. See, it's pretty much straightforward. We can run it. But here the real question is: AI is replacing developers or making them more powerful? So the point is the code what it's generate by a AI is right or wrong. It, is there any other way to write? Is everything is wrote by AI is correct? Can we refine and optimize? And how it going to be aligned with the real world business requirement? For that type of questions, a human intervention and the developers comes into the picture. So AI help us to generate a full API in a minute. As you can see, everything is struck created in a structured way. We have everything right. Suppose if I am not aware of this language fundamentals, then whole application is doomed because they're going to ask the is this right? The file that you want to edit, it's right or not. So if you edit the file and you are not aware what it's going to do, then your application is doomed. So before wrapping up, here's the key takeaway. We are entering a new era of development, faster build, better precision, rapid prototype. Though repetitive work is becoming obsolete, but skilled engineer, they are become more valuable. Okay, so let's add a swagger also so that you able to see the actual API. So he's looking into the all code, all files, and applying a swagger on top of that. See, it's again asking me to modify. They modify a few files and asking me to update it. So I mark as keep, keep. Right now I'm blindly doing a keep, but yeah, that need to be required a human validation and is the right thing it is implementing or not. That what you we need to see. See now there is a one error. If I am not aware about that how this code works, then it's hard a guy to fix it, right? So it's not going to replace a developer, it's enhance your skill set. And the thing that what is implemented in a day, it's going to be implemented in 30 minutes or might be less. Okay, so we're going to fix this issue. See, it's providing me a complete summary. Do we have still an error? Okay, we have a still an error. He says it's completely implemented, but right now we have that error that we need to fix. So right now I am fixing this with the and try to see like if the AI is able to find that issue or not. See, they able to find that issue, and what I did, I just added what the kind of issue is it and add it. So see, they are asking me to modify, and before modifying, it's required my permission. So I'll mark it keep, but yet still we having the same error. So it's not fixed. They think like it's fixed, but it's not fixed. See, that what I am saying. In the first go, they haven't able to find all the issues. Again, titrate. Now it's fixed all the path. Let's see. Now we able to run this application. I am checking like now. So let's see how it's look like in Swagger. See, it's pretty much the same what we actually implement. Let's try to see one endpoint what we're going to get. See, respond. This is the endpoint we are calling. This is the data set. It's a static one right now, but yes, we can implement and get it from the third party source also. But see how quick we implemented this entire REST API with Swagger. So, so the key takeaway: we are entering a new era of development. Fast builds, better precision. Engineer, they are become more valuable. So, if you found this useful, hit like, share your thoughts, and let me know what you want to build next.